Namaste everyone, this is Madhuri here from Madhuri Yoga and I am on a mission to inspire you to lead a healthy and happy lifestyle. In this video, we are going to talk about the various reasons why we do not get quality sleep or uninterrupted sleep. The first and the foremost reason is that we are training our body to go against nature. So nature or Shrishti has created every living organism on this planet in a certain way. So there are our nocturnal creatures like bats, rodents, our owls which are awake during the night, and there are other animals and birds and us human beings which are created in such a way that our lifestyle is not nocturnal. So what we are doing is we are going against nature. So if you might have observed these animals and birds, a lot of animals and birds wake up in the morning, finish their daily chores, whatever they are supposed to do, and at this time of sunset they are all heading back home wherever they live. So same way even we are supposed to be leading a lifestyle like that. So if you see your ancestors, our ancestors were also leading an exact same lifestyle. So their day used to begin early in the morning and by the time of sunset they were already winding up. But what are we doing currently? So currently our day actually begins way late into the evening and goes on till midnight or even beyond that. So we are going against nature and our body, our system, whatever is there, is not able to get accustomed to it because we are going against the nature, and that's how it is reacting into showing various health issues that are coming up nowadays because of lifestyle. So that is the first reason that we are not able to sleep properly, is that we are going against nature. The next reason is that our schedule is irregular and super erratic. Okay, so human body as per creation, as per Shrishti, is a creature of habits. So if we are putting our body into some sort of systematic way, it will get used to it very quickly. But what we are doing is that we do not have a regular schedule for our sleep, for our food habits, whatever it is. So sometimes we sleep early, sometimes we sleep late, sometimes we don't sleep at all. So basically, in simplest words, we are confusing our body too much. So that is why our body is not able to adjust itself into any sort of schedule, and it is showing reaction in terms of various health issues and mood swings, stress, anxiety and whatnot. The next reason is that it is an obvious one. Sometimes to an extent it is unavoidable. We are exposed to too much of screen time. Yes, we are totally glued to our phones, our laptops, our various devices that we are using. Yes, some of us use for official purposes, but a lot of us use unnecessary as well. So this exposure to screen time is affecting the eyes and health in general. The next reason for erratic sleep schedule is our food habits. Okay, so even with food habits, we do not have a proper schedule. So if you have a proper fixed timings for your meals and you have a conscious meal schedule, your sleep cycle will automatically fall into place. But we do not have that in place, and that's why we are confusing our body too much, which is resulting in different sleep schedules, which results in a lot of health issues. The next reason is that the kind of content that we are consuming. So it's not just with the food habits, but with a lot of things that we are watching. So a lot of people experience, lucid dreaming, where random dreams, disturbed sleep, where they're not able to sleep without interruptions. So why is this happening? And they also wake up in the morning saying, I had a random dream and I don't know any sort of explanation for that. So why is this happening? Is because of the content that we are consuming. moving. So what are all the various things we watch? What are all the different things we read, different things we write, different things we see, we interact, different things we speak? All of these affect our subconscious mind and also affect our sleep indirectly. The next thing is that the most obvious one, the summary of all these points, is our lifestyle. So most of us are glued to our systems, working day in and day out, sitting in one spot, leading a sedentary lifestyle. So the moment you are not putting your body through any sort of movements, your body is going to respond. So again, as per Shrishti, as per creation, our body was created for movement and our mind was created to be still. But right now the opposite is happening. So our mind is all over the place and our body is in one place. So the moment you are making your body move with some sort of physical activity, the simplest explanation for this is our body will feel tired. So when the body will feel tired, it craves rest, it wants rest. So when you go to sleep at that moment, you will immediately fall asleep. But if you are not putting your body through any sort of movement, you are leading a sedentary lifestyle, your body is already in rest and it doesn't need any more rest. Yes, of course, your mind might need some rest, but your body is already resting, so it is not cooperating when you want to go to sleep. And the last reason why we might have disturbed sleep is some sort of health issue that you might be having, like anxiety, stress, depression, or mood swings, your PMS, and lots of other stuff. So with regard to this particular point, I would suggest you to get yourself tested, go for your checkups and find out what is the root cause for your disturbed sleep. Apart from that, I am very sure those who have issues with your sleep based on these points that I have mentioned, you must have figured out the reason why your sleep is disturbed and you have lots of dreams and you have the habit of waking up late and your schedule being disturbed. If you know of any more reasons which you can add to help others to find out what might be the reason for their disturbed sleep, please mention in the comments section. In the next video, we are going to explore why sleep is extremely important and also what are all the ill effects of disturbed sleep. Keep watching.